Stroll through the doors of one and you'll get a feel for our quirky, boutiquey vibe. As well as being filled with plush social spaces, our hostel's great value and eco-friendly. We'll save you money with freebies like our walking tour and hostel-wide Wi-Fi, so you can splash your cash on beers and food. Instead we have an on-site bar plus a restaurant, that also puts on a filling breakfast. You'll also have a courtyard to chill in, or you can join one of our famous Friday pub crawls to meet other travelers. Location: we're in Alexanderplatz, the big public square in Berlin's central mid-district, so you'll be a 20-minute walk from Museum Island. You can check out the UNESCO-listed buildings, or explore the collections inside them. If you're arriving from Berlin Schönefeld Airport, you can reach us in about 40 minutes. Take the S-Bahn S towards Pankow as far as Landsberger Allee station, and then hop on Tram M8 towards Nordbahnhof. Leave at Mollstraße and you're a 4-minute walk away from us. Rooms and dorms: we've got mixed dorms and private rooms, and most have en-suites. You'll have free bedding and a locker for your backpack. Just bring your own padlock or rent one at the front desk, and rooms are decked out with bright colors and vintage Berlin themes. There's even an elevator to take you upstairs, ideal if your legs are tired after renting one of our bikes for the day. Extras and activities: download the Hotel Bird app and check in ahead of time to skip the queue, or come and meet the friendly staff at our 24-hour reception. We're always happy to chat to you and hand out free city maps to help you explore. You can also borrow headwears and towels if your bag just couldn't fit in any more stuff.